Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and this is a very, very special houseplant kit. So this was part of our Doug box in November, and for the first time ever we're offering this to absolutely everybody, so not just Doug members. So what it is you get this lovely container as well, these free houseplants, all the instructions, loads of care information and everything you'd expect from the Doug box, but as a one-off. So if you've got friends that you wanted to introduce to the Doug box, this is a great thing to offer them. It's also good if you just like houseplants. You get this lovely container, the plants, the only thing you don't get is the soil, but everything else you get. So make sure you check it out. You can see you get part of the Doug magazine as well, which got all about caring for the plants. It introduces you to these lovely house plants as well. They're nice and easy to care for. The instructions on how to plant them and how to care for them afterwards as well. So if you do love houseplants or you know someone that does, make sure you check it out.